Hello everyone, as you all have already seen in our introductory video that we are starting a video series for the preparation of German driving license theory. For the preparation of these lectures or these videos, we have the complete cooperation and support of Fahrschulcard, which is very famous mobile application or app, web app even, to prepare theory of German driving license. In this video, I will give you a glimpse or a short intro how you can use the different features of this app, and then from the upcoming videos we will officially start the preparation of German driving license theory. So first of all, you can see here there are many options like Einstellungen and settings. For example, if your language is not in if you are not familiar with the German language, then you can select here English. Then you have a section of Abrechnung, Planung, statistics and cockpit. They are not of that importance. The main section is learn system. I will just give you all a short overview that how these different options work. For example, the first one is Übungsbogen. We have in total more than 1100 questions for the theory of German driving license. So in the section of Übungsbogen, all the questions are divided in the batch of 30 questions, and in the final exams, when you appear in the final exam, actually there are also 30 questions. Then there is section of Vorprüfung. As the name suggests, that the final exam, the final interface of the final exam will exactly look like this. You will have green background, the number for each question will be mentioned over there, total time will be displayed. Here time is not displayed, but in the final exam it will. So you have 20 questions from the basic knowledge and 10 questions from Führerschein Klasse B. Führerschein Klasse B allows you to drive a car or a Sprinter up to the weight of 3.5 ton. I will suggest you to frequently use these two features just before 1 or 2 days or even 1 week of your final exam. Then turbo modes is also quite similar to the Übungsbogen. All the questions are divided in the section of 30 questions. Then Fragenliste, from the name it is clear, all the questions are just, you can see in one click. Then category, there are 14 main topics, all of them are divided in a different categories. The feature which we will use actually is the Lexion. Over here there are 14 main topics, and then there are 3 extra sections, 8 questions. So we will cover all these topics in our videos. Each video will contain 30 questions with explanation. Here we have 59 questions. I will give you an example. Here we have 59 questions. So this topic will be divided into two videos. Video 1 will be from this section, and it will contain around 30 questions, and second video of the same topic of the same section will contain 29 questions, and it will go so on. So I am quite excited to start this video series, and I hope same for you guys. So I wish you a very nice day, and then from the next video we will officially start the preparation of theory for German driving license. I wish you all a very good luck. If you have some questions, some doubts, we are eager to answer them. You can put them in the comment section. So up till next video, bye bye, take care.